6
All you need to do is enter the correct band speed in. You have your length if you're doing the length, quantity, and the number of pieces. And then you have your actual cut time and your previous cut time. Hydraulic pump is on, your work light is on. And then all you do is move your head down, make sure that your vise and your rear vise are closed, and then hit your head down. And then hit band cycle start. While the machine is running, you can go into the setup screen. You're able to see your band speed, optimum performance out of the blade. Right now we're running slightly under 3 horsepower.
Cut time currently is 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Return to the run screen, to the setup screen. It's starting to sense a little more horsepower required. You'll see the blips in the screen as we're getting to the center of the cut. It's monitoring that, and then it's going to draw more horsepower as necessary. You'll notice it'll eventually go back down to right around 4 horsepower as it gets past halfway through the cut and into the thinner section.